The Supreme Court is slated to hear SBI's plea seeking an extension of time to furnish details of electoral bonds to the Election Commission today. Now, five-judge bench headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud will take up the SBI's application in the electoral bonds case. The SBI had earlier sought an extension until 30th of June. The bench will also hear a separate plea filed by the Association for Democratic Reforms, which has sought initiation of contempt action against the SBI, alleging it willfully and deliberately disobeyed the Apex Court's direction to submit details of the contributions made to political parties through electoral bonds to the Election Commission by March 6th. Remember, in February, the top court had struck down the electoral bond scheme as unconstitutional, saying that the citizens have the right to know the funding details of political parties. My colleague Harish joins me for more. Harish, very good morning to you. Of course, a key case that's going to be heard at the top court. What can one expect, also considering there is a contempt plea that's also been filed concurrently by the ADR? So if legally speaking, if you could help us better understand this now.
Yes, that's right. As you rightly put, a very crucial hearing as far as the row over electoral bonds is concerned. The five-judge Constitution bench will be hearing the petition filed by the State Bank of India seeking extension of time to divulge all details to the Election Commission of India. Remember the date set by the earlier February 15 judgment of the Supreme Court, which termed the electoral bonds as unconstitutional and violative of right to information. That particular judgment had set the deadline of March 6th. But the SBI has cited certain practical problems, certain complexities like time-taking procedure to decode the bonds and also match them with match the donors with the donation, and also saying that the details regarding furnishing of the bonds and redemption of bonds are in two silos. While the first one is with the branches across the country, the other one is in Bombay, and there is no central database. So several practical complications were cited, saying that there is more time required. But at the same time,
right, Harish, although you're getting us those important details about this particular key hearing, I have to interject you there. But of course, we're going to keep coming back to you as you keep a close eye on that significant development. We'll leave the conversation at that.